Knowing good vocabulary is very important in writing. Using the perfect word in your sentence will help to make your ideas clearer. Try increasing your vocabulary by watching this video to learn how to use new words in sentences. Let's talk about the word consequence. Consequence means the effect, result, or outcome of something that happened earlier. Consequence is a noun. The consequence of not following the law was arrest for the young man. Now, this means the result of not following the law was arrest. We often use this word as consequences. The consequences for not paying the fine was devastating for the company. Consequently is the adverb form. It means following the result. Consequently, the company declared bankruptcy. You could write this as a result, the company declared bankruptcy. And here's another sentence. The overall sales were not good. Consequently, production was reduced for the next quarter. We often use the word consequently in sentences in this way. It can be used in place of the words as a result of. Consequential is the adjective form. The consequential penalties included paying a fine and jail time. Now this means the resulting penalties. Here's another sentence. The most consequential loss was not being able to attend the party. The adverb form is the word consequentially. It means as a result. Unfortunately, and most consequentially, the company went bankrupt. And here's another sentence. The flooding has consequentially caused much damage in the area. Now this means as a result of the flood, there was much damage. Consequence, consequently, consequential, consequentially. All of these are ways that we can use the word consequence, which means the result of something. Try using some of these words to help improve your vocabulary. I hope you learned some good ways to use this word. Keep learning new vocabulary words to help you to improve your writing. Happy writing! If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching Writing Better.